That is nifty. That's it. That's home.
That's all.
Neat. That makes it exponentially easier, though, especially if you have a program that you load. That's
See, I can adjust the feed. Right now it's 1/10,000, so you can barely see it moving. So I can go all the way to 100,000.
Get her right out of the way.
I think I can also jog it. Yeah.
This is just a standard dovetail bed.
Yeah, just like a standard.
Yeah. Neat.
See the carbide pad under there, catching all my tools.
Yeah.
That. And this, it reads whenever this makes contact, I guess it flashes.
Right.
That
And
picks
it
it up.
records the.
Right. And then when it
Could
knows
this
it's triggered,
could this potentially,
measure.
if we figured out, yeah, like a software, we could do like a scan where it could do out around and stuff.
Oh, I think so. You can use it just like a coordinate measure.
Yeah, because when I worked at CAT, they had Klingenberg machines that have that basic capability. It was a 6-axis Klingenberg,
Yeah.
and they'd touch off and then measure. Oh goodness, pocket face, TIR, out around, height, depth, width, all that stuff.
Yeah, it looks like this right here.
Sweet.
Just like a coordinate measuring machine.
We could have used this years ago.
Got a coordinate measuring machine up in the
D-Wing? Yeah, we don't have access to any of that stuff though. We can't even get a tension tester for our carbon fiber test. Nobody wants to donate their time. Dr. Chu, the one in our lab is broke.